This prestigious manor house is for sale. Located in Stowmarket, Suffolk, England. It offers 7 bedrooms and 5 baths. This Grade 1 listed Jacobean manor house is set within approximately 240 acres of parkland, woodland and pasture in the Suffolk countryside. The main house is approached via a long private drive, along with a converted 16th century barn, operating as a fully equipped events and wedding venue with capacity for up to 240 guests. Additional accommodation includes a Victorian farmhouse, while the immediate grounds around the house extend to about 6 acres and feature formal lawns, a tennis court, croquet lawn, woodland garden, and a walled kitchen garden. The asking price of this prestigious manor house is $4,200,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.